Well, I've got another overview of the back of it. It's Home Whiz. Took the heat shield off for now. I may put it on for one of the washes, only just one wash. Looks nice, but I prefer it without it. I'll have to spray some stuff in there for now because, as we know, it is manky. It works. Spray some stuff. I'll spray some stuff. I've had it on. Everything. There you go. That's caught now. Took its time. Anyway. And whatnot. So yeah, all is good. Hose up here. I've had it drain a bit of water out, it's black. So yeah, nice. Hopefully not into that because there's nowhere else to drain it, so that needs cleaning out. So yes, interesting. I like it as well. Really nice. Good machine. Anyway, goodbye.